Hello, welcome to Intellect Menti. Our today's topic is modern periodic table, in which we have to study structure of modern periodic table. As I explained in last lecture, modern periodic table consists of several groups, and along with that groups we have several periods. So groups, how many groups are there? There are 18 groups and periods are what? 7. So in today's lecture, we are going to have a detailed discussion regarding to groups and the periods in the modern periodic table. So you can see here, so there are groups starting from number 1 to 18. So we can say here, each and every group contains several elements. How many elements we are known? We have 118 elements. But as you can see here, there are not 118 boxes. But if you see in the bottom, we have different one block which will conclude your complete modern periodic table. So we have here only 7 periods. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these 7 periods and these 18 blocks consist of your modern periodic table along with the 4 blocks. So let's begin with detailed discussion regarding to groups. So how many groups are there? There are 18 groups in modern periodic table. So among these 18 groups, we are going to discuss only 4 groups in this part. So which are those 4 groups? Those 4 groups are group number 1, alkali metals, group number 2, alkaline earth metals, group number 17 and group number 18. So what I did is, I make a one table here. So please try to concentrate. Group number 1, group number 2 and group number 17 and 18. This 4 we have to study for as far as the groups are concerned. So let's begin with the first. Alkali metals. So what is this? This is a name given to particular group. In this group, those are the elements or metals we have. Those all are called as alkali metals. Similarly, in group number 2, the metals are called as alkaline earth metals. In group number 17, these elements are considered as halogen, or we called as halogen family. And the last, group number 18, we called as zero gases, inert gases. In the Mendeleev's periodic table, we had this topic of noble gases. So we will try to understand now meaning of each and every group. Alkali metals, what it means, these metals generally form what? Metal oxides. Okay, or we can say in simple word, these are most reactive, these are highly reactive metals. So try to understand, these are highly reactive metals we have. So highly reactive metals को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Alkali metals. And highly reactive non metals को हम लोग कहते हैं halogens. So remember this, highly reactive metals are called as alkali metals and highly reactive non metals are called as what? Halogens. And the last, what is the alkaline earth metals? So alkaline earth metals are metals which we generally get from the earth crust. So these are the several groups and regarding to information about that group. What is group number 18? Why it is called as noble gases or inert gases? So as we all know, helium, neon, argon. These are the examples of inert gases. It also called as zero group. Why it is called as zero group? Because these all elements having their valence is zero. So they do not take part in any reaction. That's why they are inert. So this group is also called as zero group, or these elements or these gases are called as inert gases. So what you have to do here is, you have to remember each group and their examples. So I will suggest you to complete this table. I just shown here one for the group number 1. You can complete for the next 3. Let's see here. Hydrogen, atomic number 1. So the configuration become 1 and the valency will be 1. So in similar way, you have to configure it each and everything. This table is very important. If you will complete this table honestly, it will be very helpful for you for the next topic, that is the understanding of periodic trends. So please kindly complete this. So one example we can say is, see this, helium. Helium having atomic number 2. So configuration will become 2. So we can say here 2 is its 0 is its valency. So now neon. Neon is what? 10. 10, then it will become 2 comma 8 and the valency again becomes 0. And third is argon, which is having 18 configuration. So it will be 2, 8, 8. So it valency will again become what? 0, because here duplets are complete, here octets are complete. Therefore, the valency of each and every element is 0 in this group. So in this way, you can complete for group number 2 and 17. Now, before going to start with period, you have to think about this outline again. Let's see, as you can see, this is the period number 1. So what you can see here, the 1 and 2. So how many elements are there? Only 2 elements are there. This is group number, period number 2. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can say here 8 elements. Again, these are the 8 elements in the third period, and these are the 18 elements. So if you see in this way, you can't complete your 118 element total here. So remember, in this group number 3, period number 6, we have a set of elements, 15 elements, and group number 3, period number 7, here again we have some set of elements, and which is represented here. So remember, the period number 6 and 7 contains more than 18, that is 32 elements each. So what you get here is, and that's why it's count completely to 118 elements. So let's now study what is this periods, which are those periods, and which are the number of elements in that period. Period number 1, which is the smallest period, we call as shortest period because it contains only 2 elements. Period number 2, it contains 8. Period number 3 also contains 8 elements, that we call as short period. Okay. Similarly, group period number 4 and 5 contains 18 elements. That's why we call as what? Long period. And the period number 6 is longest period as it contains 32 period. And the last long 7th period, which is called as incomplete period. Here, there is no need to remember as such. According to your syllabus, at least you should know the period number 1, 2, and 3. So you should know the elements belonging to period number 1, 2, 3. So here we studied periods and the groups. Our next topic will be blocks and zigzag line, that we will cover in next video. Till then, please like, subscribe, and share if you are liking my videos, and we can reach to the maximum students. Thank you so much.